Soda.
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 Soda is a noun. As a noun, soda can mean 1. Sodium bicarbonate, usually baking soda. 2. Sodium carbonate, usually washing soda. 3. Sodium and chemical combination. 4. Carbonated water, water impregnated with pressurized carbon dioxide, originally made with sodium bicarbonate. 5. Any carbonated, usually sweet, soft drink. 6. A glass, bottle or can of this drink. 7. The first card in the dealing box in the game of faro, which is discarded to leave 51 cards in play.
They act like bubbles of CO2 in a shaken soda.